Okay, let's make some coffee first, and then we'll get into cleaning and decorating for fall. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I want to decorate your house for fall, and I want to keep everything kind of sort of minimal, and I'm not going to go overboard. But I have DIY'd a few pieces for fall that I want to incorporate, and I've also shopped for fall decor from Target, IKEA, and Ross that I want to use throughout the house. So I figured I'll just share all of those finds with you along the way as I'm decorating. And also, if you've missed the fall decor videos, make sure to check them out after this one. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box for you guys. But before we get started, I have to show you guys this mug. I picked this up from Ross while I was looking for like fall decor, and I'm just like so obsessed with this. It combines my two favorite things, which is Friends and fall, and I'm just enjoying my cup of coffee in this. But yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and get into decorating. Okay, you guys know I always like to share the before state of the space before starting to like clean and decorate. So this is the living room. We turn around and then we just have a pile of stuff over here. We have tools from when we built the barbecue that I'm going to try and put away. These are all my shopping bags, stuff that I picked up for fall decorating, so you guys are going to see those. Then if we turn around here in the kitchen, we have two dead orchids that are so sad, so I'm going to do something about them. Definitely going to keep the pots because they're cute. And then we have a pile of just random things over here. We have mail, we have toilet paper, oatmeal, and a candle. So all of these are going to be put away in their own spots. And then our dining table, which we got from Facebook Marketplace, and I don't really like it, but I got a cute tabletop and hopefully going to decorate it to be a lot more nicer. And obviously I'm going to put all of our like laptops and stuff away to have a clean slate to work with. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I've picked up a few table covers for this dining table, and you guys know I like to have options, and so whatever one that doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and return it. But I just wasn't sure like what kind of theme I was going for, and then so I picked up originally this one from Target. It's like this like just like neutral color tablecloth, and so I picked up this one with these placemats, these ones right here, and I think they're like so cute. They're just like very like fall, and then I went to Ross and I picked up this table cloth, which is basically kind of like a combination of these two together, I feel like. And this was only $9. These placemats were $5 a piece, and then this one I think was like $17. This tablecloth, so I don't really remember. And while they're all affordable, I'm just kind of like gravitating towards this, also because we don't really sit at our dining table to eat. We kind of work off of here, so just like having placemats I feel like is not really functional for us. So I don't know, I'm gonna try them on, but I'm kind of already gravitating towards this one. And then also I picked up this one from also Ross. This one is $5, and this is a vinyl tablecloth, and I really like the pattern, and the color is like that like terracotta burnt orange. And I also think this is gonna be nice on a dining table, again, because we don't really eat here, we don't need placemats, and just something to cover this like ugly surface of the dining table. And then this one would be so much easier to like clean because it's vinyl, which is like wipe it right off. So I don't know. I'm gonna try them on and then I guess decide which one I like the best. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but basically my mic decided to not record as I was talking. But basically what I was saying here is that the tablecloth was more like a cooled color beige and it didn't really match with the placemats. And while I really love the color and the pattern of the placemats, the whole overall setup just didn't look right. And it was the more expensive option, so I just decided to try out the tablecloth from Ross, and I will return this because the whole setup again just does not look good. Here is option number 2. This is tablecloth from Ross for $10. And I do think this is the winner for me just because it's like so fall, but I love that it's like kind of subtle, I guess. Like there's no like crazy pattern on it. And again, this is just like a lot more functional for us as opposed to like a tablecloth and placemats and all that. And this would be really easy to just throw in the washer. So I really love this. Not sure if that's gonna stay or what's gonna come. But yeah, this is the winner, and I'm gonna probably just keep the vinyl one just because like if we have like guests over and stuff, I can use that one. But yeah, out of the two, this is definitely the winner. So I'm bringing this Lazy Susan on the dining table just because we like to keep it here and it's nice and handy. Bringing in this IKEA DIY that I did, and I like this one because it looks good from all angles. We of course have to add a little candle, and I love this amber glass and it smells amazing. And then also adding these fall themed napkins for a little bit of functional decor, and also having 3 elements in this little tray. That's a little design tip for you guys. If you watched my Spend a Day with Me at IKEA video a couple weeks ago, you might remember that I picked up these oven mitts and also these dish towels from their fall collection, and I just really love the colors. So I want to display these on the side of the fridge here. So it would be another piece of kind of like functional decor. And so it's going to be close to the oven over here, and I don't know, just be cute. And I'm going to use command hooks for that, so I'm going to go ahead and hang these up and see how they look. I styled this wall hanging that I DIY'd a couple weeks ago. Up here, like in our entryway, this is the main door, and I just love how it fills the space, and I love all the colors for fall, obviously. And then over here on this like little entryway table where we have our shoes and stuff, it's a little messy, but I just kind of styled this other fall decor that I also DIY'd. And I kind of went back and forth with the styling here. I tried a few different things and I think I like this. I'm kind of thinking I might eliminate this and this. It might be a little too much, but I do like to have candles in the entryway, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you would do. But yeah, this is what I have over here and I just really like it. So for the living room, I haven't really changed much. Again, I'm trying to keep everything minimal and on a budget. And of course, I was watching Friends while decorating. But I added the same fall napkins in this tray and a little pumpkin. And then we also have this olive green throw that I got from IKEA. And I just love the color for fall. And then another throw over here. And I added that vase that I also DIY'd. And over here we have a bowl of potpourri. The bowl is DIY'd. I got the potpourri from Ross and it's already made the whole space smell so good. And I'm pretty happy with how this living room is. I think I'm gonna keep it the way it is, nice and minimal. So that's it for today's video. I really enjoyed decorating our house for fall, and I feel like with all the decorations and all the candles, I can finally get into the cozy vibes of the season. And I hope that this video gave you some inspiration and ideas that you can use in your own space, and I will make sure to link everything down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!